Boom, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's having a good day and doing well. Thought I'd make a quick video update here, just kind of showing off a couple new things I've been working on in the CV app project here, but also I'm also in a different location here, taking care of my neighbor's dog here. So this is Honey right here. This is our special guest for today. Good girl, special guest today. She's a very good girl. Okay. Neighbor's dogs here while they're away, doing a little dog sitting this weekend. But still gotta get my study in, still gotta get my work in. No days off, people. We gotta keep grinding, keep moving forward, get closer to our goals, right? Also, one other dog here as well. She's a little more scared of strangers, so she's got eyes off somewhere over there. But yeah, that's Honey. So back to CV app here. A couple new features I've been working on. I mean, it's really nothing too crazy. More just playing around with CSS today and some basic styling. So as you can see, this is what it originally looked like, the professional experience section. These inputs, like the font size, were a little smaller. I didn't have any hover class or anything like that. So kind of what I did today was increase the size of the inputs and the fonts and things like that, make them a little wider, and also added the hover class like this. Kind of show you when I fill out the form, so forth and so on. 666, number of the beast. Like that. I fill out the form there. And before I kind of had all this content, this form content in a row, but now I'm in the column now. I think it looks a lot easier. And as you can see, I kind of added a hover class in between them there. And that's a little bit more padding, space around them like that. So boom, as you can see, generates content in two places, below the form and also on the CV resume portion side. I'll do the same thing with the education too. And also drop down menu here too, like that. I'll kind of show off that edit feature again. Blah, blah, blah. Add my last name in there, like that. And boom, you can make edits and you can also delete them like that. Okay, so I move on to education. Just kind of write some random stuff in here like that. Okay, and click submit. Boom, generates content there. Got the hover classes working okay. All in a nice little column there. Okay, and cool thing with education, I can also add more content. So I can add another school, blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Not sure why that input's going away. Not going away in end date. I'm not sure. I don't think that's a huge deal. But click submit. Boom. We can also add another entry right there. We can add as many as we like. Okay. See, I don't know. Maybe you went to multiple different schools or whatever. I mean, again, this is no work of art right here. This is no fantastic project, but it was a really, really good practice and to get those basic React concepts down, like state, props, and components, all those great things. And I think we're almost done it. I'm not going to jinx myself, but I think we're almost done this one after I finish up a little more, touching up on the styling there. That's about it. That's about it there. And professional experience, yep, I'm going to have to style that one here coming up next. I've been working on these two sections there so far. So anyway, enough talking about the boring CV app. Thought I'd close out the video with another motivational, inspirational quote from one of my favorite authors, Miyamoto Musashi. He's got a great book, Book of Five Rings. Very, very old book. I'm not sure when it came out, but it's extremely old. But it's a classic book. So I thought we'll close out the video. Sorry, just petting the dog here again. Close out the video with another inspirational quote. I'll pull that up. Okay. Maximize this. The important thing in strategy is to suppress the enemy's useful actions, but allow his useless actions. The important thing in strategy is to suppress the enemy's useful actions, but allow his useless actions. I really, really like that a lot, especially in terms of jiu-jitsu, like having a match with someone and you kind of feel he's opening up a little bit and making mistakes. You want to take advantage of his mistakes, but really shut down his strong moves and moves in positions that might really affect you and hurt you. So that's about it. Hey, open for interpretation, whatever you want to take out of that quote there. That's about it, guys. I'll say goodbye here. Honey will say bye to you there. She's a good little girl. Okay. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll definitely do another video here soon once I'm done CV app. I'm going to go through it in depth, break down the code to the best of my ability, if I even understand what the fuck is going on with it. And I'll show you the finished product there and just kind of talk about it, some advice I can give you for approaching these React projects, if you're at that section. So that'll be coming up, guys. And until next time, take it easy. Have a great one, guys. Keep working hard.